The application for the USMLE exam starts with submitting ECFMG certification. And if you want to submit for the ECFMG certification, you need USMLE or ECFMG identification number that you have to create. This is the very first step. In today's video, I will show you how to get an USMLE ID, and you need this ID each time you want to access your account. First, let's talk a little bit about what does that mean by ECFMG certification. Medical schools outside the United States and Canada vary in their educational standards and curricula. The purpose of this certification is to assess whether graduates of these schools are ready to enter US residency and fellowship programs. To be certified, you must complete the application, pass a series of exams, and fulfill ECFMG's medical educational credential requirements. In summary, when you are done with all your exams, you will get a certificate from ECFMG, and you need that certificate if you want to enter US residency or fellowship programs. As I said earlier, you have to apply for that certificate at the very beginning of this process. So if you go on ECFMG website, this will pop up. I put the link of ECFMG website in the description below. Then hit online services. Then this will show up, and then hit interactive web application, also known as IWA. Once you click the interactive web application, this page will show up and it says login for access to ECFMG's interactive web application. Here you can see we have three options. If you forgot your password, click here. If you forgot your USMLE identification number, click here. And the third option is if you never been issued a USMLE identification number and want to request one, click here. So we don't have any USMLE ID and we want to create one. So I will click the third option. Now this page will show up and it basically says to read all the instructions carefully, and it also says make sure you have your current unexpired passport on hand, which is very important. Now, if you scroll down, you will see all this detailed information. I would encourage you to go through it. Now, if you further scroll down, at the very bottom, you will see two boxes. You have to check those boxes, and it basically says you went through all those instructions and you are giving consent to ECFMG, and then hit next. Now, it gives further instructions. Have you ever submitted an application for ECFMG certification and/or application for examination to ECFMG? No, we have never submitted application, so I will choose no and then next. Now it's time to put your biographic information. Here it's asking for your last name, rest of the name, date of birth, birth country, gender. You need to fill up all this information, and please make sure it matches with your current passport. If you scroll down, now it's asking for your medical school information, your medical school country, the name of your medical school, and the address. So you need to fill up those. Now, if you further scroll down, we are at the very end of our very first step, and it's asking for your contact information, your country of residence, your street address, email address, telephone number, all these informations. And after that, you need to check this little box at the very bottom left-hand side, and it indicates I certify that the information in this ECFMG online authentication process is true and accurate and provided solely by me. Make sure you are providing all the information accurately, and then hit submit. Once you submit, you have to wait for 3 to 5 business days. ECFMG will review all these informations, and after that, you will receive USMLE ID through your email. You will be also given a temporary password that you need to change once you log in for the first time. That's how we will get USMLE ID. That's all for today. In my next video, I will proceed from here and show you how to submit for the ECFMG certification. Till then, stay connected. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and also turn on the notification bell icon so that you do not miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching.